Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to launch your own online store without coding? In this video, I will show you how to build a fully functional e-commerce store using Jumpseller. Step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. From from setting up products to going live, you will have your shop ready to sell in less than 30 minutes. Let's get started. Jumpseller. What is Jumpseller? Jumpseller is an all-in-one platform that lets you create and manage your online store. It's similar to Shopify, but simpler and more affordable, especially great for small businesses, beginners, and local sellers. Now, head over to jumpseller.com and click Create Store. Enter your store name like my shop. Then enter your email and create a strong password and click Create Store again. Now select the theme or skip and follow the instruction. Once you are in, Jumpseller will automatically create a basic store for you. Walk through steps. Choose your country and preferred currency. Go to General, then Preferences. Now select your time zone, then country. Then currency from here. Then click Save. Browse available themes under Themes tab. Like that. Pick a clean layout like simple, font, or Moda. Just search like simple theme, organic, grocery, industrial, modern, influencer, etc. Now click on it, then click Install Theme to activate it. Don't worry too much about design now. You can customize later. Just click on Edit button and customize your own. Now let's add your first product. Go back to your Jumpseller dashboard, then click Products tab, then All Products. Click Add Product and fill in the following like name, organic, cotton, t-shirt. Then category like t-shirt or clothes. Click Add Category, name of category like cloth. Then select the category and add category. Then description, add a price, upload image. From the right side but click Add to image, then upload your product pictures. Set product type physical or digital product like ebooks, music, videos. Then shipping details. Finally, click save. When you are done, you can repeat this for all your items. To keep your store organized, go to products, then categories, and create categories like t-shirt. Click add category, then name, enter your category name like t-shirt. Let's make your store match your brand. Go to themes, then customize theme or choose your theme like that, then click edit. You can edit logo and favicon, colors and fonts, homepage banners, footer links. No need for code, just point and click. Upload your brand logo and change your store name under settings, then general. Now set up payments so you can get paid. Go back to your dashboard, then settings or general, then preferences. Now find payment settings. Or click checkout, then payment settings, and choose your method like PayPal, Stripe, manual options like bank transfer, or cash on delivery. Link your account and set your currency. Just click add method and select one from here. Stripe is great for card payments and has faster processing. Time to set delivery options. Go to settings or checkout, then shipping methods, or click shipping zones for local, national, international. Then flat rates, weight based or free shipping. Then go to settings, then taxes to enable or disable taxes based on your region. Offer free shipping ever a certain amount to encourage bigger orders. Almost done. Click view store to preview your site. Check everything, product images, navigation, mobile version. If you are happy, go to settings. Then click domains tab to connect your custom domain or buy one through Jumpseller directly. And just like that, your online store is live with a Jumpseller. Simple, fast, and powerful for beginners. In 2025, if you want me to cover advanced features like blog setup, email marketing, and connecting Meta Facebook shop, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new store.